like those pants? Pretty bright colors, aren't they? Gotta get a shot of
Another cookie. Another cookie.
How do you drive the boat, Carter?
Mommy, I need another cookie. Please help me open it.
You can use your thumb, Carter.
No, my phone is broken. Look.
It broke?
I don't think it's broken.
How did you break your thumb, Carter?
Get it off, Mommy. Get it off.
How about please?
Please.
Please, full sentence.
Please make you get my band-aid off.
You want your band-aid off or you want a cookie open?
Lucky Bookie. Oh, rainbows! I caught it. We don't like books. Bad dog.
Is there a bug on your cookie?
No,
Well, then why are you worried?
because I ate them.
You ate the bug?
No, I ate the cookie.
Carter, what about that cookie? Are you going to eat it or are you going to play with it?
I can play with it. I'm not going to play with it. I'm going to eat all.
Do you want me to open it and give you one?
Mom already opened it. My mom already did it.
She did. And you wouldn't let me open it?
She wants her
No.
band-aid off. There you go.
Look.
Is
What
it
happened?
healed?
Oh my gosh, you still have a thumb. It's still there, Carter. I'm glad your thumb is still there.
This is ridiculous. All three of us are doing this.
Different angles.
Yeah,
It's right there.
it's going to be a very exciting film. Do something exciting, Carter. I mean, really exciting, besides shaking your hair. Show us how you drive the boat.